So I'm going to click on the Start menu. I'm going to type in CMD. I'm going to right click, Run as Administrator. And here we go. So you can see that we're in a different location. Let's go ahead and take a look at that location real quick so you can see what's going on. We are inside C drive, and we're inside a folder called Windows and System32. Right here. Now we are going to be doing a system preparation, or Sysprep, and you can see that that's right here. So now you understand what this line of code is going to do. So go ahead and close that out, and you shouldn't have anything open or running. And this is important to get this code right, because if you mess this up, it could cause your system preparation to fail. So we're going to type in Sysprep, which was the directory we were in, and then we're going to type in the command, which is sysprep.exe, and then I'm going to generalize, and then out of box experience, or OOB, and then we're going to shut down when we're done. So double check your code before you press enter. It should say Sysprep, sysprep.exe /generalize /oob /shutdown. And if you're sure you've got that correct, then go ahead and press enter, and then don't touch anything. If your Sysprep fails, then you may have not deleted your user accounts, or something along the way went wrong, or something was corrupted, and you'll have to start back over with a new fresh install. Okay, do not power back on your virtual machine. We need to do a couple of things first. First thing we're going to do is we are going to right click on this tab and go to Settings, and then we are going to add another hard drive by clicking on Add, and then it's going to, user account control is going to prompt you to select yes, and we're going to add a hard disk. Press next, and we're going to select IDE, click next, create a new virtual disk, click next, and this one we are going to, we'll just leave this one at 40, so this one will be 40 gigabytes. And we want to store the virtual disk as a single file, so select next, and we are going to rename this. See how it has Windows 7 Fresh Install. We're actually going to and let me just verify something here. Yes, okay, that all looks good. So let's go ahead and rename this to Captured Image. and then select Finish. Then we need to select the CD DVD icon, and what we need to do is go ahead and browse for the Win7PE x86 folder that we stored on our desktop, and find the Win7PE x86, and I'm going to select this ISO. Click Open and select OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and under this power there is an option to power onto firmware, which is the same as BIOS. And then we're going to click inside here and arrow over to boot, and you can see that right now it's selected. Removable devices is selected, and then hard drive, and then CD-ROM. And what we want to do is go ahead and bump this up, so I'm using the arrows, and I'm going to select CD-ROM drive, and then I'm going to press Shift and the plus sign, and that will move it up to the top. And then what I'm going to do is press F10 on my computer, and it's going to prompt me to save it. And I'm going to press enter, and when I do, I'm going to be ready to press any key, because that's what it's going to ask me to do, press any key to boot from CD. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and then press any key. And if you're using an older version of VMware, if your press any key does not work, you may have to hit Control Alt to back out, and then click into it again, and then press any key, and you have to do that very quickly, lightning fast. Control Alt, click inside, and press a key. But with the newer machines, you can often get away with just pressing a key or clicking inside and pressing a key.